Hi, I'm Edison. I'm very calm. We're gonna make some monkey bread! Cut on. Well, we're making monkey bread! And we'll need some, I got sugar, butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, these bread thingies, and bundt pan, a cutting board, and something to cut the dough with. Now we're gonna open up our dough. Now that they're all out of the package, we can cut them.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been.
Now we have to make the cinnamon sugar mixture. 2 little cups.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons brown sugar. What?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, I mean. A white sugar. Holy mackerels. Here. Once you've got the sugar and cinnamon mixed up, put the dough in the bag. Now that the bag is sealed, we can shake it. Once you've got the dough and shaked it up, put it in a pan. The weird monkey bread pan. After you did that, put more in the bag. This might take a while too. Now the monkey bread is done. Now we need the caramel sauce to go on top of it. We already put the butter in the pan. Now we're gonna put the brown sugar in too. That was a lot of brown sugar. We put it on a low temperature and stir it constantly. Once you put the caramel on the monkey bread, put it in the oven for 30 minutes.
350.
350. Once you get it out, enjoy it. This is how you make monkey bread. Thank you for watching.